Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So I've been shopping on AliExpress again, and yeah, I found some bits and pieces that I've not seen anywhere else. So I thought you might like to have a look at them with me. They've come all in one bag, so that's pretty good. So I'll take them out of here. They've taken quite a while to come. I think with AliExpress now, if you order more than one item and it's only a small item, they wait until you've got a few more and then send it rather than sending just small items on their own. So the first one I've got is a diamond painting pen. Yay, I've done it again. Look at that one in a second. Oh, it's well and truly wrapped. Let's see if we can get into this. Grab our trusty rainbow scissors. It's got plenty of bubble wrap around it. They didn't intend this one to break very easily. Well, I think it's a diamond painting pen. And oh yeah. Oh dear, late night shopping again. Yeah, it is a diamond painting pen. I just wanted to get this. I just thought it was a quirky little funny item. And right, okay, so it's a little diamond painting pen. So we've got our single placer at the end there, but can you see all the little faces on it? And I just thought, I've got to have that. They're all little sort of like spheres, little balls. And we've got a happy face. Oh, that one looks like a pained face. That one's an exceptionally happy face. That one's a happy face with its eyes open. Another happy face, another grumpy face, and another. So we've only got two grumpies. We've got two with eyes open, and we've got one, two, three. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 with eyes closed, happy. So, and they're all in lovely bright primary type colours, and I just thought that was really a bit of fun. But this is actually pens as well, little felt tip pens. So we've got a blue, we've got a green. I'll check and see whether these work actually. I wasn't sure whether it was going to be all diamond painting pens, so that you were going to have all little brass tips in each one, so you could load wax up with each one. But actually they're pens. So, but I suppose once the pens run out, you could replace that with a little brass tip, so that you could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 diamond painting little single places. So as one runs out, you can just take that off and stick it back in the end, because they will just pull out and lock into each other, and then you'll have another diamond painting pen at this end. So that's what I thought it was, but I did think for the price maybe it might just be a single diamond painting pen, and all the others were stuck together. I didn't realise. I ought to start reading things really. I didn't realise that it's like your felt tip markers. And that's more of an orange, sorry, a red, and then that's like an orange. So let's just grab some paper and have a look here. Let's just see whether any of these actually work. So we've got a little bit dry, but not bad. Certainly they're not going to last a huge amount of time. You could possibly write with them, but I don't think you're going to be doing much colouring with them, because there's not going to be much ink in there. That one's very pale. That one's quite pale as well. They maybe need a little bit of rubbing to get going, but they're very, very fine tips, to be honest. Yeah, it's a very, very fine. So they're more of a writer than they are actually a filler in, a colourer in. Yeah, they're not bad. Not bad at all. But the price of this was £2.40. So yeah, for a novelty, it's not bad. I mean, there's tax to go on top of that as well. So I think I paid £5.02 altogether for this. So yeah, I certainly wouldn't buy another one at £5. But for a novelty, it was worth having a look. It's again smaller than I expected. A lot of things come a lot bigger than I expect, but this is a little bit smaller than I was expecting. But it was worth a bit of fun, and I do like the little faces. I do like the fact that I'm going to have somebody looking at me. I mean, what you could do actually, if you're happy, you can turn all the others around and just have a nice happy little face looking at you while you're diamond painting. Or if you're writing or whatever, you can have a little bit of a frowny face or a real happy face. But I think that once those felt tips have worn out, that you would be able to, or even before they've worn out, you would be able to replace them with your single places. And then, yeah, I think that's a pretty good idea if you're using your wax or your glue dots or whatever. And then as one's starting to get less sticky, just change it out and put it back in the top there. And then you can just have 7 different ones all loaded up. So you don't have to get up and get your wax. Yay, like that idea. I'm always into anything that saves me time and makes me more lazy than I already am. So they're about 10.5, 11 centimetres, which is about just over 4 inches. Each little one, are they about 1 inch? Yeah, they're about 1 inch, which is about 2.5 centimetres. So, and then they just all lock into one another. I just thought I quite like that. That's just me, quite a bit of fun. Just have a good bit of play. But yeah, I just love the little faces. Yeah, he looks very pained, I have to say. I like the little smiley. That's like a traditional smiley, isn't it? The yellow smiley face in the middle. Yeah, I mean, you can swap these around. Oops, anywhere you go, and they're alive, and they're trying escaping off the desk. And then the other thing is something that I've got a lot of, but I've not seen this version of them anywhere else. So we have some, is it hexagonal, 6-sided coasters. But these are like a jigsaw puzzle. Okay, take them out of that package in a second. These cost me, with tax and everything, £13.14. So they were a little bit higher priced than some of the others you can get, but they are again a bit of fun. So we're all just standard standard acrylic drills there. We've got your pen boat and wax and just a few little grip seal bags. We've got your little stand to put them in. But as I say, they are hexagonal coasters and they are like a jigsaw puzzle. So can you see what I'm sure you can tell what this is. It's a picture that I've had several times before. See if I can get this the right way around. Where does that one go? So I think that one's going up there. Does that one come down there anywhere? Let's have a look. Are you all shouting at me now saying, no, Liz, that one goes up there? Right. That one goes there. And then we want, I think, that one. Will that one go in the middle here, possibly? This one's down, I think, in this corner here. I think this is how it goes. Bear with me. Right, okay, so I think we're just about right there. So you can give your guests a coaster for their drink and then say, right, you can all decide whereabouts you are in the grand scheme of things. Is that one the right way? Have I got that one? Maybe that one should go that way. I keep messing about with this. I can't quite make my mind up which way around this one should go. No, we've definitely got to have the sun on the outside because there's nothing to match that up with. Oh, that's better. Yeah, so we've got like the tentacles of this going up here. We've got the sun matches on that end, and then we've got this swell here. So we are Starry Night. Yeah, again, I've got quite a few Starry Night pictures, as you've probably seen if you've been with me for a while. If you have, welcome back. If you haven't, hello, thanks for stopping by. Hope you stay. And yeah, so I just thought these were quite fun, just a little bit different. I've not seen these. You'll have to let me know if you've seen them on any of the other stores, any of the other websites, but I've not seen them. they are a slightly higher price at, say, £13.14, but I just thought it was a bit of fun. And I do like Starry Night. It is one of the pictures that I do quite like. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've got 7 coasters, which is an odd number. State the obvious, Liz. Yeah, 7 is an odd number. But no, it's an odd number to get as coasters. Usually they're like in 4s, 6s or 8s. But yeah, 7, obviously you need to make the design, and I just thought they were quite pretty. You could put them on your wall as something a little bit different. You know, if you just put them onto, say, black card underneath and just space them out evenly, and then you've got like a design to go on your wall. I would possibly put that onto a hexagon or even a circle, or just cut around the edges, just as something that little bit different. Or even put a mirror underneath it. If you've got a round mirror, and just put those onto a round mirror, that would look quite nice as well to hang on the wall. But yeah, I just thought a bit different, bit of fun. Let's get these and see what they're like. They do look a bit smaller than the other coasters, but maybe that's an optical illusion. 9 centimetres, which is just over 3.5 inches. So actually they're not a bad size at all. They do just look a lot smaller because I think of the shape. But yeah, you'll certainly still get a cup on there. And yeah, I'm quite pleased with these, just that little bit different. You know me, I do like to go looking for different things. Okay, and we have all our gems. How many colours have we got? We're up to 15. So that's quite a few for this little thing. It's got very, very dark in here. They keep threatening us with either snowstorms and -6-degree temperatures. It was quite nice this morning. It was a lovely spring morning. I popped out to the shops and went, and it was quite quiet actually as well, which was amazing. I am quite upset. My favourite ice lollies, which are Calippos, they usually come in a box of 6. I just get the mini ones. I just like the mini ones. And they've been around £1.75 up to £1.99 for quite a long time. Went in this morning, they're now £2.50 a box. And there's only 5 in the box. So they've put them up 75 pence and taken one out of the box. I was very miffed, to say the least. But I still bought them because they're my guilty pleasure and my Calippo lollies. Okay, so we have, is that black? I think that could be black. Yeah, it's black, a nice chestnutty brown, a very dark green, a lovely cherry red, a nice sunny yellow and a pale yellow, and your purpley blue, a denim blue, a pale blue and a darker blue, a very deep sort of olive green, and that's a dark brown, a little bit of pale blue, a baby blue, and then a little tiny bit of white at the end. So yeah, 15 colours. Just looked out the corner of my eye and thought that said 16 then. But yeah, I quite like the idea of having a little puzzle for your coasters, putting them all together as one picture. I mean, if you give somebody, say, that one, they wouldn't know what it was at all. You do need to put it in with there. But if you gave them, say, the middle one, then they would possibly guess that that would be Starry Night. So, yeah, start off your party games with your coasters. And then, of course, you do get your nice little metal stand to put them all in as well. I think if you did gift these, you would have to give them as a set. I don't think you could really give these separately because they're not a standalone picture as such. They do need to be all together. But yeah, great fun, just something a little bit different. So we've had our lovely little smiley happy with a few friends that aren't quite so happy pen there, which is your single placer, and then all your different felt tip pens there, and your little coasters. Just something, a little bit of fun just to give them a try and to see what they're like. Okay, well, just a quick video, so I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. If you have, as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you would like to join our little family and come back and see what we get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button and the all notifications bell next to it, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out, so you won't miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.